Hi, friends. Welcome to today's social studies lesson. Social studies is the study of how people live. And today in social studies, I have some informational text to share with you. That's nonfiction text about transportation with a story that's called How Do We Get Around? And you can see on the cover here of the story, there is a picture of a long train. We get around a lot today. Cars, buses, trains, planes, and boats take us anywhere we want to go. What is your favorite way to travel? Many children walk, bike, or take a bus to school. Students in cities sometimes use trains to get to class. Cities, trains, and subways also take people back and forth to work. But trains go much farther than just around town. Trains take people across the country. People can sleep in beds on long distance trains, and they can eat at tables while looking out the windows. Families today often travel by car. Cars are one of the easiest ways to get around. Many cars use gas to make them go. Today, there are also cars on the road that run on electricity. Engineers are always looking for ways to build better cars. Hydrogen-powered cars may be next. If you want to go from one city to another quickly, planes are often the fastest way to go. Because planes fly through the air, they don't have to follow a track or a road. Planes soar across oceans with ease. A person in a plane can go halfway around the world in less than a day. It's fun to spend an afternoon out on a boat, but boats do more than just float around in the water. Cruise ships take people on vacation to interesting parts of the world. Other ships carry goods up and down rivers, across large lakes, and even across the ocean. There are even more ways to travel. Helicopters buzz around cities, taking people to airports or getting sick people to hospitals. Ferries take people and cars across wide stretches of water. People drive small trucks and big trucks to move goods across the land. Look in the air. Look on the road. Look at the water. There are lots of ways to get around today. That was the informational text about transportation. Today, your assignment is to write about transportation or respond with words or a picture about one way to get around. So in the discussion, you can share a picture or writing or a video talking about one way to get around. And I would like you to think about framing your answer with one way to get around is, and you could name one way to get around. And we use this way to, so for example, I could say one way to get around is to walk. We use this way to travel short distances. What's one way that you know about getting around? Share that in the discussion. You can use writing or a picture or a video describing how you get around.